Hi parents, welcome to BrightChamps YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that lays the foundation for our children's financial journey, the basics of financial literacy. Specifically, we'll explore the concept of wants versus needs. Before we dive in, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you still haven't for more such inspiring content. Now let's jump right in. Imagine you're planning a family movie night. You ask your child, "What would you like to watch?" They excitedly shout, "The latest superhero blockbuster." It's important to explain to them that wants are things we desire, but don't necessarily need for our survival or well-being. Then they may tell you that everyone at school has seen it, and they want to be part of the conversation too. And that's where you teach them to find the balance. Let's refer to the famous movie, The Pursuit of Happiness. In this inspiring true story, Chris Gardner, played by Will Smith, faces immense financial struggles as a single father trying to provide for his young son. They focus on their basic needs, such as food, shelter, and education, while putting their wants aside. It's a valuable lesson about prioritizing our needs over wants. Now, let's shift our focus to needs. These are essential things required for our well-being and survival. Take a look at this scene from the movie The Jungle Book. Mowgli's primary needs were shelter, food, and safety. By understanding the difference between wants and needs, we can help our children make responsible choices. So, the big question now is, how can we teach kids to differentiate between wants and needs? You can do a fun activity by creating a wants versus needs chart together. You can cut out pictures from magazines or draw items and categorize them. This helps our children visually grasp the difference and start thinking critically about their own choices. It's important to encourage open discussions with our children about their wants and needs. By having these conversations, we empower them to evaluate their desires and make conscious decisions based on their financial reality. Let's take an example. Imagine you're planning a family vacation. You want to go to an amusement park, but also need a place to stay and food to eat. By discussing the costs involved and involving your children in the decision-making process, you teach them to consider both wants and needs when managing money. Remember, teaching kids about wants versus needs equips them with invaluable skills for a lifetime. By understanding the value of money and making thoughtful choices, they become financially responsible individuals. I hope this conversation sparks a journey of financial discovery with your children. Together, let's empower them to become wise stewards of their resources. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos, and don't forget to click on the link in the description to book a free demo with our experts today. Don't forget, as parents, we have the power to shape our kids' financial future. See you later.